How to forward a text message on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Message app on your device. Here, go to the chat of which you want to forward message of. Then hold on to the message. After you do this, click on the three dots at the top right. Then click on Forward. Then select the person that you want to send it to and press on Next at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now, you'll find this kind of screen. Now, simply edit the text if you want to or add something else. Then press on SMS at the bottom right and it will be sent. And this is how to forward a text message on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.